In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up T-Mobile Home Internet. Whether you're new to T-Mobile or just setting up a new device, this tutorial will help you get your internet up and running smoothly. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to unbox your T-Mobile gateway device. Make sure to remove all packaging and check that you have all the necessary components. This typically includes the gateway, a power adapter, and any additional cables or accessories that might be included. It's always a good idea to ensure everything's there before you proceed, just in case you need to contact support for missing parts. Next, choose a central location in your home for the gateway. Ideally, you want it to be near a window where the cellular signal is strongest. This is crucial because a good signal will ensure that you get optimal internet speeds. Keep in mind that placing the device too far away from the areas you use the internet most could affect your connection quality. Now, plug the gateway into a power outlet. You'll notice lights on the device start flickering as it powers on. Give it a few moments to fully boot up. This is an important step. Try not to rush it. The gateway needs this time to establish a solid connection with the network, and patience here will pay off with a more stable internet experience. Once your gateway is powered on, you'll need to find the Wi-Fi name and password. These are typically printed on a label at the bottom of the device. Make a note of these details as you'll need them for the next step. Having them written down or easily accessible will save you time and hassle when connecting your devices. On your phone, laptop, or tablet, open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the Wi-Fi name you just found and select it. When prompted, enter the password. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your device connecting to the network. It's that simple. Once connected, your internet should start working automatically. And that's how you set up T-Mobile Home Internet. By following these straightforward steps, you should now have a reliable internet connection set up in your home. If you encounter any issues, double-check each step to ensure everything is connected properly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new internet setup.